a couple reps on me. Keep him coming at the right and reach. Be a shell shock, war on me. We're all dying for a sniff or drink. We're dying on the line. No God there to hear our plea. They laid out and desperate. No blood left to bleed. Turn to those lost at sea. We're never made it off the reach. To those who won't make it home. Buried in the salty deep. When the sun's out we do so well. Without a care or a chance in hell. Live a life for the light and I'm playing out of my to the brothers to live to tell.
Limit of vision, looking for all the world like holiday decorations stretching down the length of any American main street. As the long procession straightened out on its pre-established course toward the shore of the English Channel, signal lights blinked and navigators checked their speed and direction with the pilot and began their continuous plotting of position. As we headed toward the coast, the bulky transports silhouetted against the skies, they gently undulated in the front wash of their companions.